Hey, Anukool here from TheAIMarketingSchool, where we make marketing magically profitable. You ever feel like you're just spinning your wheels, trying to make money online, but nothing sticks? Or maybe you're stuck thinking, what if I try this? What if that fails? Trust me, I've been there. But in today's video, I'm flipping the script on what you think about making money online and showing you how to turn your digital dimes into online dollars with strategies that actually work. So, if you want to level up your online business and make real, sustainable income, stay tuned, because we're about to drop some truth bombs that will completely change how you think about money and marketing. Alright, let's kick things off with something you probably already know. Hard work doesn't guarantee success. Let me tell you why. There's this weird idea out there that if you just grind 24/7, it'll all work out in the end. And sure, hard work is important, but smart work is where the real magic happens. We're talking strategy, creativity, and systems that let you scale fast without burning out. So let's go through some advanced methods that are actually going to make you money online. Ready? Let's go. First things first. If you're not building a personal brand, you're already behind. The best way to build a business is to become the business. And no, I'm not talking about fancy logos or website designs. I'm talking about making yourself the face of your product. Why? Because people buy from people, not faceless corporations. Whether you're selling coaching, products, or digital services, people connect with you on a personal level. If you don't believe me, just look at anyone who's making serious bank today. They're brands, not just business owners. You can't just be good at what you do anymore. You need to be recognized for it. Share your story, your struggles, your wins, your lessons, and watch how people start following you. You might feel vulnerable putting yourself out there, but trust me, being authentic is your superpower. People trust people who aren't afraid to show up as themselves. So, start showing up. Second on the list, automate your business processes. If you're still spending hours a day answering emails, posting manually, or doing tedious admin tasks, stop. There are tools, scripts, and AI systems out there that can do all that for you. Automation is your best friend, and it's going to allow you to focus on what matters, growing your business. Don't get too comfortable with automation either. Make sure it's working. Automation's purpose isn't to eliminate work. It's to make you more efficient. If you're automating the wrong things, you're just making more room for error. So be strategic about it. I've seen businesses scale from 0 to 6 figures by just embracing automation early on. Email marketing sequences, social media scheduling tools, and even AI-based customer service bots. These things free up your time so you can focus on growth strategies and product development. Let's talk about the power of niche. I know what you're thinking, but Anukool, there's so much competition. How do I stand out? Well, here's the thing. You can't be everything to everyone. The more specific you get, the more targeted your audience is, and the easier it is to become an authority in that niche. People are looking for specialists, not generalists. Find that sweet spot where you're passionate, knowledgeable, and the market is hungry for it. But don't just niche, double down. Become the go-to person in your niche. Content creation, collaborations, product launches, everything should scream, I am the expert you've been looking for. Trust me, this works. Now, here's where we take things to the next level. You can't just create a product and hope people buy it. You need to craft an offer that people can't say no to. The key to this? Solving a problem in a way that nobody else is doing. Be unique, offer massive value, and don't be afraid to price it for what it's worth. One thing I see a lot of new entrepreneurs do, undervalue their services or products. Stop doing that. Your offer should be a no-brainer. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. If you're solving a real problem, your audience will happily pay for it. I've helped clients turn their meh products into high-demand offers by focusing on the value they were providing and packaging it in a way that felt exclusive. Remember, the most successful businesses don't just sell products. They sell solutions to real, urgent problems. Next up, collaboration, not competition. Listen, partnerships can open doors that would take you years to unlock on your own. Find influencers or creators in your niche, even micro-influencers, and build mutually beneficial relationships. You don't need to get the big names with millions of followers. Small, highly engaged audiences are even better. I'm all about building a network of people who are on the same journey as you. The cool thing? A small influencer with 5,000 highly engaged followers might be able to get you way more traction than someone with a million followers who never replies to comments. It's all about quality over quantity. All right, I know I just hit you with a ton of strategies, but here's a little bonus insight. The key to all this is mindset. Yep, it's not just about the strategy, it's about staying consistent, being willing to fail, and getting up again. Success isn't a straight line, it's a bunch of twists, turns, and learning opportunities. When you start seeing your failures as lessons, that's when you'll unlock your true potential. So don't overthink the process. Just take action and keep adjusting as you go. It's all part of the game. All right, now I want to hear from you. What's your get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments and I'll give you my 2 cents. Let's get the conversation going. If you're serious about stacking up those digital dollars, hit subscribe and join me every week. We're here to learn, grow, and make real money in the world of digital marketing. So hit that bell icon and I'll catch you in the next one. To wrap it all up, building an online business isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter and leveraging strategies that let you scale fast. So remember, in digital marketing, the smartest work wins. Keep learning, keep earning, and make sure you visit TheAIMarketingSchool.com for deeper dives into everything digital marketing. I'm Anukool. Let's keep making magic happen.